Hello learners, welcome to TryWrite. Normally if you learn program, this is important because this will improve the way you think. As coming on into problem, you'll find a solution or a way out. You have to understand, so you have to understand and put them in a code. And patterns and loops refers to generating visual pattern. Patterns and loops refers to generating visual pattern while using loops commonly done in programming series, patterns, etc. These patterns are usually made using characters like stars, numbers, alphabets, and at this point, these are printed in various shapes. For example, for let's for a better example, as we will going for here. We are going here and we will be running the program. First we will be removing it out. We will be rubbing it out. Yeah, it's correct now. Now here we have a loop. Here we have a for loop here. We can see that we have a for loop. Now a loop within a loop. Here other loop is made inside another loop. Here one loop can be made. Here one loop can be made inside another loop. This is called for loop. For nested loop, this is called nested loop. A loop inside a loop is nested loop, where the outer loop performs one and the inner loop performs later based on the condition of the outer loop. Based on the condition of the outer loop. Here other loop can be for loop, other inside for loop. Here the outer loop will have different variable initialization. Here the outer loop will have different variable initialization. Here the outer loop is having variable I. Similarly, inner loop will have any kind of variable, any name to the variable we can give. So let's take for example int j equals 0, and now j is less than j is again less than equal to 10 only here, 10 and j plus plus. Now for our own benefit we will be going for this, and we will be printing system.out.println system.out.print. We will be doing system.out.print and semicolon. Inside this we will be writing a star format, star. Now we will be running this program. All the lines here, all the 10 into 10, 100 stars are in the same line, so we can't differentiate between them. Now we will be printing here system.out.print. Here ln. Here we will be printing ln. This is the difference between print and println. Print makes everything execute in the same line, and println, after execution of a particular block, it follows the next line. After the formation of a particular block, it follows the next line. Now here we will be printing this star. Now we will be again running the code and we will seeing the output on the console. Now again we can see that these stars are printed in this line. Now we will be printing this in different format. This printing in different format. Now we will doing this line. Now we will be again printing this line. Control V and ln here. Now let's run this program. What will be the output? Can you guess? Oh, we can see that 10 stars are printed in a single line, falling to the next line, then ln line makes it go to the next line, and then again 10 stars, and then again 10 stars, until 10 lines of code, 10 stars, 10 into 10, this block is formed. Until this block is formed, this line will execute until this block is formed. So it's very clear to us all about loops and all. Now we should print a star pyramid. For printing star pyramid, we will be printing a star pyramid here. We will be printing a star pyramid. For printing a star pyramid, yeah, this is actually Eclipse where we will be printing this. This is actually Eclipse where we will be printing this. For this, we will be going to this package try_write, and we will be importing util.scanner, because we will be taking the number of rows or something like this from the users. So system.in from through system will be making the input, from system will be making the input, and system.out.println enter the number of rows, and we will, the number of rows, this is the object, this is the object, scanner is the object, and this variable object.nextInt, this is the method object.nextInt, this is the method for assigning the number of rows. Here the outer loop will be following first. It will go up till number of rows. Then the inner loop will follow. It will also go up till row minus I, means outer row less than 1. This row will go row minus outer row. Yeah, system.out.println will be done. And printing stars. For this printing stars, this will be the looping condition. This will be the going in the loop condition. This will be printing the stars. Whose number of stars will go from k is equal to 1. Number of stars will go from 1 to k less than equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1, I means 1. 2 minus 1. Yeah, here it will value will be 1. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. 1. Total outcome will be 1. Yeah, so the value will go up till 1. Here only 1 will follow. Yeah, and then the value of stars will be increased. Then moving in the next line, and so we have started the scanner object, so it will be closed again. And now when we hear the number of rows, enter the number of rows, suppose by 5. Yeah, very well. We can see in the first, the stars 1, so 1 star is printed. We have seen the 1 stars. Now follow going up to 2 stars, 2 row, and it will be going up to 2. This will be 2. When it will be 2 to 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 stars are printed. So likely this still fifth row, the star number of stars will be printed executively. Now we will go for a triangle pyramid. Following this, after this condition, we will go into the triangle pyramid. We will be going to the number pyramid, number triangle. We will going up to, we are forming numbers with a triangle with the help of numbers. Now we will be going up to this program, numbers triangle. Here this number triangle. This is a number triangle. This is the main method line, and this will be the scanner class input. And now for this part will be the outer loop. I will go from I to n, I up till n, till the numbers will be specifying with the help of a scanner class, and j will follow till I. J will follow till I. J is less than I. And system.out.println print j followed by a blank space. Then moving to the next line. Now we'll be running this program, and we'll see what will come in the outcome on the console. Now enter number of rows. Here it is asking, let's enter number 5. Row number 5. Yeah, here entering 5. We are entering 5. So here is the triangle found by the numbers. Here it will go up till I will go up till I. Here the j value, first the j value, following j value I. J value will go up till I. J I 1 to 1, because the value of I is 1 here. I equals 1. So it will go till 1 to 1, and j will be printed 1 here. Now it will go up till 2. Now it will run. I will go up till 2 second value. I will go up till second value. I will go up to 2 value, and similarly the value of j, this inner j. Initially the value of j is 1, which is printed here, Now the j value will be 2, j plus plus, it will go up till 2. Now the second value of the j will be printed here. Similarly till 5, the 5 value of j will be printed inward and outward, inside and outside. Yeah. Now we will go for the next program. Reverse triangle pattern. In reverse triangle pattern, you have to print a reverse triangle. You have to print a reverse triangle. Reverse triangle pattern. For this, we will be printing a reverse triangle. We will be printing a reverse triangle. For this, you will be following you can follow the numbers or pyramids. Pyramids means stars. Stars. You can take stars, numbers, anything. For this we will be running this program which is already written here, reverse triangle pattern. Yeah, we will be running this program, reverse triangle pattern. Yeah, we are running this program. Here also we are making the input through the scanner class only. Here the outer loop will be performing first, outer loop will be performed first before and the value of I will go up from n. It is in the decreasing value. It is in the initial value of n, then n minus means above to lower, highest to smaller. It will be decreased. While the inner loop is increased, j from 1 to j plus plus. Yeah. Initial value of I is n, and here n, j is less than n, and the system out the printer and j. So we can very well guess it out that I of n, I up till n. So it will be a bigger value here. So it will be 1 to n. It will be bigger value followed by n minus 1, because n suppose n minus. It will in the beginning the value of I is 9. Suppose the value of I is 9. Again minus means 8. So the value will be decreasing 1. So the value will be decreasing 1. It's very well made out here only. Now we'll be running this program. It is asking for the number of rows. Let's say take it as 5. Yeah, very well. We made it out. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 and 1. Very well. We have made it out. Initial values of I is 5. N is 5. N equals 5. And I will go from 1 to 5. I will go from 1, whose value will be 1 here, and I will go up till 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is printed here. And now the value of I will decrease from 5 to 4. So again the value will go from 1 to 4. And now I minus means value of I will go from 4 to 3. Now the value of I to 3. 1 to 3 is printed here. Similarly, finally 1 is printed here. Now thank you. You have got to know much and more. Thank you.